Hey guys, Sera here, and I've got a lot of very little unboxings for you. Today we're going to be unboxing 12 of these Horror Classics Mystery Minis Series 3. I've wanted to unbox these on here since they came out, and I've just wanted a case of these since they came out, because I love them, and I want all of them, and we're going to get rid of the sign. I just put it on there to take the picture anyway for the thumbnail. But there are 12 in here, and these are the ones you can get. We have Jack Torrance from The Shining. We have Freddy Krueger with syringe fingers. We have Regan from The Exorcist. We have Slimer. We have Alex DeLarge from A Clockwork Orange. Elvira. Jason. We have Patrick Bateman. The Mummy, Wolfman, Twisty from American Horror Story. I forget what his name is from Beetlejuice, the Shining Twins, and Bruce, the shark from Jaws, who I already have because I bought one of these a while back because I could not resist, and I got Bruce and I loved him. I know there are probably, because the rarities are 1 in 6, I know there are probably 2 sharks, 2 wolfmen, and 2 Elviras in here. So at least that's what I've gathered from watching other whole case unboxings of these. But we'll see. So you guys can see, and because I've still got a couple of these laying around, I have 2 GameStop Mystery Funko boxes, and as I unbox them, I'm going to line them up here so you guys can see them. Because I don't have fancy camera angle skills to film me unbagging them all, unboxing them all up close. Sorry. But let's get started, shall we? Because I want to see what's in here. So, okay. I might edit all this plastic tearing stuff out. I don't know yet. We'll see. If I do, you won't hear any of this. Okay, first off, we have Elvira. No, we don't. Ooh! Okay, that was fantastic. 1 in 36. First off, we have Regan. From The Exorcist. Oh shit. Please fucking focus, camera. Focus on Regan. Oh my god. I am so fucking happy about this. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah, focus on the back. That's what everyone wants to see. The back. There we go. Oh man, she is so fucking cool! Just, if you're looking at it, front left corner, Regan. Holy shit. Oh, come on, stand. You know why? Because it's tilted. There we go. Oh my god. This could literally not have started any better. I love it. Exorcist, one of my favorite movies. One of my favorite movies of all time. Horror-wise. Okay. To review. This is Twisty! It is! Ooh! And Twisty is 1 in 24. Nice! Very cool. Oh, I am liking this. I wonder if the top row is going to be all the rarer, more, like, harder rarities, and then the bottom is going to be the more common, like the 1 in 6s. Okay, wait, no, that was... Yeah, this one's behind Regan. Okay. I am so happy with this already! There we go. Twisty, please don't fall over. Please don't fall over, little baby! This is... Is this Jason? Are you Jason? It is! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's so cool. Oh, damn. Sorry about that. I dropped him. So, here we go. Oh, he's so cool. I love the skeleton detail, his mask all broken off. I love his skeleton hand. Oh, the detail on him is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, so fucking sick. Oh, damn. Damn. I am loving this case. It was behind another case at Walmart that had one taken out already, so I grabbed the one behind it so it would be a fresh case. And I'm so happy! Thank you. This is... Is this Jack Torrance? It is! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so cool! Oh shit, I really hope I get the Shining Twins now. With the Grady girls, the Grady twins. Oh man! Oh damn! Oh, he's so fucking cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna line them up like behind each other anymore, and you won't be able to see them. I don't have a very large surface. Oh man! That's so cool! Oh, I love these. I love these. What do I really want to get? The one in 72's, like, I would love Syringe-Finger Freddy over Patrick Bateman. Out of the rest, I really want the guy from Beetlejuice with the eyeballs on his fingers, and I really want the Grady girls. Those are the two, or kind of three other ones that I really want. But I only have 2 boxes left on the top, so... And I feel like the bottom row is gonna be 2 Jaws, 2 Wolfman, and 2 Elvira. So, we shall see. This is Alex DeLarge, isn't it? Yeah, this is Alex DeLarge. I love the eyeballs on his sleeves. Like, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, and it, like, pokes out, too. It's, like, 3D eyeball. That is cool. Oh, and he leans on the cane for support. Nice. Alright, last one on the top. Last one on the top. Be the Grady girls. I want the Grady girls, because I have Jack Torrance. I don't think it feels heavy enough to be them. But I can hope. It's Slimer. I can feel the base of it. Aww. Aw, he's cute. I like the base on the bottom. I like the base is kind of like translucent. He's cute. And the back is my favorite part. You got a Slimer butt. Ha ha. He's cute. You can go here because you're so little. Alright. That can all go on the floor. Now we start the bottom. I'm gonna guess you're an Elvira or a Wolfman before I even open you. It's not heavy enough to be a shark. But these bottoms are gonna be the commons, I think. Come on, box. This is Elvira. This is Elvira. Come on, you bitch. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, she's awesome. She is very awesome. I just wish I wasn't gonna get two of her. Oh, her hair is great. I love her dress. I love how her dress, like, drags off in the back. It's really cool. Her sleeves, the detail on them is awesome. Very cool. Regan. Stay standing, lovely. Elvira, you have a place of honor right in the middle. Oh, you're not going to stand unless you're supported. You don't want to stand on your own. That's great. She's like listing to the side. Lovely. Okay. Okay. Are you Elvira or are you Wolfman? Still not heavy enough to be a Bruce. This is another Elvira. Yes, it is. So I guess they're right next to each other on the bottom row. Will you stand better than the other one? Oh, yeah, you stand better than the other one. Alright, cool. Put you... I'm just gonna lay you down because you're gonna fall over. I don't feel like dealing... Thank you for focusing. I don't feel like dealing with that. Alright, come here. Come here, come here. You're the Wolfman. Yay, Wolfman. It's very cool. I like his claws. The detail on his fur is cool. Very cool, Wolfman. I like how it took until Series 3 for them to make such a classic. There we go. This is also going to be the Wolfman. I almost don't even want to open it, like, I want to give it to somebody and let them open it, but that's okay. Yep, we has another Wolfman who will lay behind the other one. And then, yeah, these are both heavy as shit. These will be our Bruce Sharks. So yeah, if you find a case of these, grab from the top, because that's where, unless you're looking for one of the more common ones, because the top is where your higher rarities are going to be. Oh, a Bruce Shark. Got the, what is it, the air tank in his mouth? I haven't seen Jaws in way too long. He's very cool. I enjoy him. Go there. And then, finally, I could have just taken all the plastic off these and you guys would have still known they would be sealed because I'd still be ripping them open. That was an oversight on my part. Oops. And we have another Bruce shark, who will go back here. So that's it for that case of Mystery Minis Horror Series 3. And I am quite happy with these. I am quite happy. What did I get? I got 3 1 and 6s, which you're going to get in every case. I got 2, 3... I got 3 1 and 12s. 2 1 in 24s, and 1 in 36. So, that is pretty good. I will take that. I'm so happy the 1 in 36 I got was Regan. I love Regan. For my favorite one that I got, I am gonna go ahead and say that it is Regan. I love her. I love her so much. Like, look how fucking cool she is. My next favorite is definitely that Jason. Like, hell yeah. Ew, hair, could you not? But this was awesome. I'm so happy I finally got to unbox one of these cases for you guys. And just mystery minis at all. Because I love mystery minis. I have so many. But I've never gotten a full case, so I've never done an unboxing for them on here. So yeah, that's that for that. Go ahead and leave a like, because I like likes. And fuck you, stand up! I'm gonna hold her. Because I like likes, and they make me happy. Like Regan does, if she would stand the fuck up. Leave a comment, let me know if you guys got any of these figures, which one is your favorite, and subscribe, because I do a lot of unboxing stuff. This is my first Mystery Minis case that I've done, but hopefully I'm going to be doing more in the future. Like, I really want to do the Disney villains and companions, because I love Disney so much. So much. But yeah, all kinds of geeky stuff, Funko stuff, lovely stuff, all the stuff. But yeah, that's that. So I will see you guys soon for another unboxing. Bye.